If you're approaching retirement, you've probably heard the term roll over your 401k to an IRA. But why should you consider making the switch? The answer is simple: more investment flexibility and greater control over your future. In this video, we'll explore why rolling over your 401k to an IRA is one of the best moves you can make, and how it can potentially protect and grow your wealth in the long term. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get a free guide on why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. This guide is packed with insights that could help you make better, more informed decisions as you approach retirement. Now, let's get into it. One of the biggest advantages of rolling over your 401k to an IRA is the freedom it gives you to choose from a much wider range of investment options. Unlike a 401k, which often limits you to a select group of mutual funds, an IRA allows you to invest in individual stocks, bonds, and even alternative assets like real estate and precious metals. This expanded range of options means you can tailor your portfolio to your specific goals, risk tolerance, and timeline, giving you more flexibility in how your money works for you. Another key benefit is lower fees. 401k plans can come with high administrative and management fees, which can eat into your returns over time. With an IRA, you're generally in charge of selecting your own investments, and you can find options with lower fees that won't diminish your gains. That means more of your money stays in your account, working harder for your future. Another major consideration is control over your account. In a 401k, your employer is in charge of managing the account, and it's tied to your job. If you leave your company, you might have to deal with complex paperwork or potentially lose out on some investment options. But with an IRA, your money is yours to manage. You have the freedom to choose where it's held, how it's invested, and when to make changes, all without worrying about job changes or company restrictions. What's also important is that when you roll over a 401k to an IRA, you get better estate planning options. Many 401k plans don't allow for direct beneficiary designations, which can complicate matters when it comes time to transfer assets to your heirs. With an IRA, you have clear instructions on how your account should be handled after your passing, making it easier to pass on wealth to your loved ones. Now, let's talk about the big one, the gold IRA. If you're concerned about the risks that inflation or economic downturns could pose to your retirement savings, a gold IRA can be a lifeline. It allows you to roll over your 401k or IRA into physical gold, which has historically been a safe haven for wealth preservation during times of financial uncertainty. If you're looking for a way to protect your retirement from volatile markets and devaluation, a gold IRA can be an excellent option to consider. Again, if you're interested, check out the link in the description for your free guide. Another great feature of a gold IRA is that it's tax advantaged. Just like a traditional IRA, you can defer taxes on the assets within your gold IRA, allowing them to grow tax-free until you start withdrawing. This gives you a huge advantage when planning for long-term wealth growth. So, if you're sitting on a 401k, it's definitely worth considering a rollover to an IRA, especially if you're thinking about how best to safeguard your savings during retirement. The more flexibility you have, the more opportunities you'll have to grow your wealth. And remember, rolling over into a gold IRA might be the most secure way to diversify and protect your savings. If you're an American retiree with 100k or more in your 401k or IRA, or even 5M plus in savings, this could be an essential move for you. So don't wait to take action. Click that first link below for your free gold IRA guide and learn how thousands of retirees are securing their wealth. Make sure to take advantage of all the tools available to you. And as always, I'm here to guide you through every step of the way.